Welcome to Asdan NetSuite Basic Support Enablement. NetSuite Basic Support allows all NetSuite customers to submit support cases to NetSuite support team and also have access to NetSuite knowledge base. What is NetSuite Basic Support? Basic Support is NetSuite out-of-the-box support service with the following features: submission of online cases on critical concerns and product defects, access to the Suite Answers knowledge base for answers to functional and how-to questions, request for product enhancement through Suite Ideas. Basic Support allows up to 2 authorized contacts. Suite Answers. Suite Answers is the NetSuite self-service support site where you can view announcement, support articles, training videos, help topics, and best practice documents for NetSuite. For Suite Answers, you can also submit a question or issue via email or contact NetSuite customer service by phone. Suite Ideas. Suite Ideas is where you can do the following: enter your own new ideas for making NetSuite better. You can vote for the ideas of your choice. You can search through all the existing NetSuite enhancement requests. Authorized contacts. Who are the authorized contacts? These are the named customer employees who have sufficient technical knowledge, training, or experience with the service who will be responsible for all communication with NetSuite support. This includes the case submission and incident reports. These authorized contacts are authorized to request and receive support services on behalf of their organization. Now let's see our demo to know how to use NetSuite Basic Support. After we know all NetSuite Basic Support features, now there are some prerequisites that you need to do. First, you need to navigate to your employee record. And then make sure that you have access to NetSuite Support Center role and NetSuite Support Center Basic role. After we made sure that we have these two roles, now you have the ability to access NetSuite Support Center. Now you can navigate to Support Overview. The first thing we have here is the new release portlet. NetSuite releases 2 major upgrades a year. To prepare yourself before the new upgrade, you should navigate to the Support Overview and then New Release Portlet. And here you'll find sneak peeks to the new release, release notes, release review test plan, overview, and training resources. Please review all these resources before the new upgrade to know all the new features that you might have in a new upgrade. Down here we have the Suite Answers. Suite Answers is NetSuite knowledge base. It's very important for everyone to access Suite Answers whenever you have a problem, whenever you need to ask a question, or even to find or read a help topic. And here we have Suite Ideas. Suite Ideas, as I mentioned, it's a community where you can read all the NetSuite enhancements or ideas, and also you can vote for someone else's idea or suggest a new idea. Now, before you submit a support case, you need to set yourself as an authorized contact. So, click on NetSuite Account Center, and then click on Authorized Contacts. Here is the authorized contact list. If you have any authorized contact, you will be able to see it here. Click on New Authorized Contact. Here is some instructions for you to how to set up an authorized contact. Here is a customer name, and the first name, full name, will be captured in the name field. Enter the job title, and here is the checkbox for authorized. Only contacts with authorized checkbox checked will be counted as authorized contact. As you can see here, you have 2 maximum limit of authorized contacts, but you have 0 authorized contact count. Enter here the email of the authorized contact. As you can see here, your authorized contact email must match your NetSuite login email. Here, enter your phone number, and here is the time zone that you wish NetSuite to contact you on. After you fill all the required data, click on Save. Now, Let's see how to enter a support case. Click on See Support Cases. Once you click on See Support Cases, you'll be able to see all the list of submitted cases. Click New Case to submit a new case, and then fill all the required fields. Now you can see the subject field. Here is the company name field, contact name, email, phone, in case anyone of NetSuite support team contact you by phone or by email. Here is the case severity. We can see critical business down, which is major customization or existing configurations that suddenly stop working. Business down, something like service interruption that is impacting your business or operation. Here is some urgent cases or how to non-urgent questions, enhancement or non-tech support. After you select your case severity, now you should select your product area. You can click basic accounting, let's say, and you can see all the features related to basic accounting. After you select the product and area, now you can select the case type. As you can see here, case type is not mandatory, but it's recommended to fill all these fields to help NetSuite team to support you. Now, the case type could be a question, or a problem, enhancement, or so on. Now, after you fill all the primary information, now you can enter a new message to describe to a NetSuite team about the case. And then once you click on submit, an email will be sent to NetSuite support team and your case status will be open once someone assigned to this case. As soon as NetSuite support rep get assigned on this case, the support rep will contact you to get more information about this case and support you till this case is closed. Now, after we saw the demo on NetSuite Basic Support, let's recap. NetSuite Basic Support features submit online support cases to NetSuite support reps, access to the Suite Answers knowledge base, access to Suite ideas, and in order to submit cases, you must have authorized contacts. Remember, only submit cases that needs authorized contacts. It means all NetSuite users can access Suite ideas and Suite Answers. Thanks for watching.